How to transfer a car title in North Carolina 2025. Transferring a car title sounds intimidating, but it's easier than most people think. Still, one small mistake can delay everything. Here's how to transfer a car title in North Carolina in 2025. First, the seller must sign the title over to the buyer. The odometer reading and sale price must be completed accurately. North Carolina requires notarization, so both parties must sign in front of a notary. Next, the buyer needs to visit a North Carolina DMV license plate agency. Bring the signed title, a valid proof of insurance, and payment for fees. You'll also need to complete the MER1 title application. Most agencies provide this form on site. Fees typically include a title transfer fee, highway use tax, and registration costs. Highway use tax is generally 3% of the vehicle's value. Most people get this wrong by skipping insurance. Proof of North Carolina insurance is mandatory before registration. Once processed, you'll receive a new title mailed to you within a few weeks. The surprising truth is that delays usually happen due to missing notarization or incorrect mileage entries. In 2025, title transfers in North Carolina are straightforward when documents are prepared. Handle everything in one visit, and you'll be on the road legally and stress-free. Subscribe for more legal and DMV guides made simple.